Hi, my name is Alicia, and my placement was with the Macquarie University School of Psychological Sciences. Under the supervision of David Kaplan, a team of other undergraduate students and myself created a literature review of previous scientific research. This review was focused on the different areas of the brain that allow for sensorimotor learning, which is when people learn and adapt their motor skills when their environment or body changes. An example of this would be golfing when it's windy and having to adjust how you hit the ball. Most scientific research is focused on showing this adaptation occurring, but not how the different parts of the brain work to do so, as the brain is very complex. Therefore, over a 3-month period, my team's goal was to do just that through a literature review. My primary task was to read multiple scientific papers with a focus on the cerebellum, the part of the brain focused on coordination and regulation, and its role in sensorimotor learning. I recorded the methods and finding of these within my team's shared database, contributing a wide range of findings on cerebral neural processes. While doing this, I also presented some of these findings to my team and supervisor during the weekly meetings. During my placement, I utilized reflection to allow me to fully engage and appreciate my progress. For example, in week 5, I had to find my first cerebellum paper on my own and analyze it in order to present it to my team the following week. Doing this, I realized the density and complexity of the topics I needed to understand in order to review the research, as well as communicate the findings in my team meeting. I also reflected on the fact that the topic was extremely difficult for me to understand, and I needed to readjust my time frame, and hence my expectation of the amount of papers I would be able to critically analyze throughout my placement. Additionally, this task strengthened my research skills, and I realized I had to further develop them, starting with using a larger range of research databases. The key outcome achieved was that we succeeded in creating a comprehensive literature review regarding the potential role the cerebellum may have in sensorimotor learning, through reading a large variety of recent scientific studies. Although we were unable to analyze all of the literature on other brain regions due to the amount and density of research, we made the beginning steps in summarizing this complex topic and in drawing connections between the part of the brain and their importance to learning adaptation. The work that I completed during my placement allowed for a more complete understanding of how the brain adapts and learns in new environments. This critical understanding of the role the brain plays can guide future research on motor learning and potentially aid in the treatment and rehabilitation for individuals that have a damaged motor system through applying this knowledge regarding the interaction of sensorimotor function and our actions.